Okay, Festool just launched a brand new tool. And what we have here is the brand new cordless vacuum cleaner. And if we spin it around right here, you'll see there's a slot for two 18-volt batteries, giving you 36 volts of sucking power. Now on the top here, we've got the hose garage, which obviously holds your hose, as well as a carrying strap. So you can easily throw it over your shoulder and carry it around to where you need to go. You also have up top two of the dust hose attachments. And in this kit, you'll find a whole bunch more. And now you can choose to use it with the garage on top, in which case you'll take the hose and plug it into this slot right here, and then plug it into your tool. Or if you don't want the garage on top, you can unclip it and take it off and plug the hose into this hole right here. And if you still want to use the carrying strap without the garage, you can unclip the strap from the garage and clip it here on the front and carry it around that way. Now this green thing right here is for when you're carrying it like this and you have your hose taken off and you don't want the dust to spill out of your bag. You can move this from that slot over to here, and now all your dust is inside and won't fall out while you're walking. And now inside this unit, you'll find the dust bag is right here, which you can easily pop out, making it easy to change the HEPA filter and your bag. And then the vacuum motor and everything else is inside here. And if we spin this vacuum around, you'll see right here, this is mission control. This button powers the unit on. These two buttons can change the speed of the vacuum. This one will turn the vacuum on. And this one's for your Bluetooth. And Festool has two ways to use the Bluetooth. The first way is by using this little unit. It simply attaches to your hose, and then you hook up whichever tool you're gonna use, and you push the button, and the vacuum turns on. And the second is by using any battery-powered Festool tool with the Bluetooth technology batteries. In which case, you just hook up your tool, turn the tool on, and the vacuum turns on. Then you've got a true cordless vacuum and tool setup. Now in my shop, this vacuum will spend a lot of its time hooked up to this delta-shaped cordless sander. The times I need to do some quick sanding or some touch-up sanding, and I don't want to drag my bigger vacuum set out. Or if I've got to go out to a job site to do some sanding or some quick work, I'll take it with the other tools that I'll need instead of packing my bigger vacuum with me. And I'm actually going to take it with me camping for quick cleanups in the RV. So another great new tool from Festool, and this one will be in stores starting in October.